In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix an unidentified error occurred when trying to buy GTA 6 Ultimate Edition here on PS5. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you need to do is just restart your console. So go ahead and hit power, hit restart, and while it's restarting, check this out. GTA. Also, real quick, I did just launch my Ultimate Roblox game dev template, so if you ever wanted to make your own Roblox game, or maybe you wanted to make your own Roblox game even better, but weren't really sure where to start, just check out the Etsy links or the Gumroad links down in the description, and this is going to give you a full setup to build from, so you don't have to start from scratch. It is absolutely perfect, and it helps out the channel, so we'd greatly appreciate it. Okay, enough of that. Once it's restarted, what you need to go ahead and do is then check your network settings up at the very top. So select settings up at the very top, select network, and after you go ahead and do that, you need to make sure that the PlayStation network is not having any server issues. If the servers are down, the purchase is going to fail until they are fixed. If the servers are working though, check your own internet connection by restarting your router, reconnecting to Wi-Fi, or using a wired LAN cable if possible. To buy the Ultimate Edition, you need to go ahead and then back out of here and open up the PlayStation Store. I'm just going to select it from my wish list right here, and you're going to see the Ultimate Edition here. You just got to search for GTA 6 though in the store. From here, go ahead and purchase it like normal by selecting this, confirming purchase, and if the error still appears, go and check your payment method and make sure the card number, the name, the billing address, and all the funds are correct. You can also try using a different payment method, so add funds with that PlayStation gift card, use a prepaid Visa card, or buy the game through the PlayStation app, PlayStation website, or another retailer that gives you a digital code. After that purchase works, the Ultimate Edition is going to be added to your account. It's that simple. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.